Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14, factorization. In these chapters, we learn how to find factor of given algebraic expressions. Okay. So first we start how to find the common factors of given two or more terms. So in this where we take exercise 14.1 question number 1 and try to find factor of given two or more algebraic expressions. For this, first we express the given terms as a product of irreducible algebraic expression. So let's see how to find common factors of given two or more algebraic expression. So here the first algebraic expression is given here. Question number 1, a part of this 12x 36, 12x comma 36. We need to find common factors. So first we write it irreducible, product of irreducible factors. So 12 is equal to, we can write here 12x is equal to, we can write here 12 into x. 36 is equal to, we can write here 12 into 3. So you can see what is common factor between them. Also you can write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into x. This is a irreducible factors of 12x, and this is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what do you see here? What is the common factor between them? So you can see common factor here, from here this is 12, and from here this portion is common. Okay, so you can write here common factors, common factor is equal to 12 of 12x and 36. Okay, and the next part 2y comma 22y. So second part, this is 2y comma 22y. So first we express it as the product of irreducible factor. So 2y means 2y is equal to, you can write it 2 into y, but 22y you can write it 2 into 11 into y. We need to find here common factor. So how to find common factor? You can see in both terms 2 is common. This is, here you can see 2 is common and y is also common. Okay, so you can say common factor is this is equal to 2 into y, or you can say 2y is the common factor of 2y and 22y. Now we take next questions. Next part of this question 1. This is given 3x square y square, 3x square y square comma 10x cube y cube, 10x cube y cube comma 6x square y square z square, 6x square y square z. Here we need to find the common factor between them. So first you can write it, you can express it in the product of irreducible factors. Okay, so for this you can write here 3 x square y square, this is equal to 3 into x into y. Now 10 x cube y cube, this is equal to 2 into 5, this is equal to 10. Okay, and x power 3 is equal to 3 times of x multiplied by 3 times x into x, and y power 3 means y, 3 times y into y. This is clear now. Next is 6y square, 6x square y square z square. So again also we can express it, the product of irreducible factors 6x square y square z square. So you can write it 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 2 into 3 into x into x 3 times, 2 times y into z. Okay, so what is common factor between them? You can say the common factor is here, you can see here 3, but in this not 3, so you can need x, how many x? 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x, x into x, again here 2y, you can see 2y, y into y, x into x. Okay, so common factor is equal to x into x, or this into y into y. This is clear now. Multiply them, then we obtain here x square into y square, or you can say x square y square. This is clear. So any given algebraic expression, when you need to find the common factor, first we break it in the product of the factor in irreducible form. After this you can check what is the common between them, and usually you can take commons. Now, so I hope all of you understood, and all of you learn how to find the common factor of the given terms. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to find how to factorize of the given algebraic expressions. Okay, so first question number 2 of this exercise 14.2. Question number 2. This is first part of this question. This is given that 7x minus 42 and 7x minus 42. Clear? So here you can see, first we express it as a product of irreducible factors. After this you can take common. So here you can write it as 7 into x, and here this is equal to 7 into 6. Okay, so you can see what is the common between them. So basically you can see that 7 into x, 7 into 6, so 7 is common. So first we take it 7 common and write and remaining part of this terms. Here we obtain x and minus, here we obtain 6. So you can say, if find the factors of this given number 7x minus 42, this is equal to this, or you can write here 7x minus 42, this is equal to 7 into x minus 6. This is a factor of given algebraic expression 7x minus 42. Now the second part, 7a square minus 7a square plus 14 like this. Second, 7a square plus 14. So we need to find factors. Okay, how can we factorize this expression? So first we express it as the product of irreducible factor. So you can see, you write here 7 into a into a. 7a square means 7 into a plus 14 means 2 into 7 into a. Okay. So what is the count between them? Count between them is 7a. You can see here 7a, 7a. Okay. If you take common 7a, then put here bracket. After this, write the remaining part of the algebraic given of the both terms after taking common. So here we take common 7a, 7a. Then we have here a plus 2. So in this way you can say this is a factorization of 7a square plus 14a. This is equal to 7a into a plus 2. Clear? Now we take another example, another question to find factorizations. Okay, so this is given 16z plus 20z square. 16z minus 16z. This is third question, third part. Minus 16z minus 16z plus 10 minus 16z plus 10 plus 20 z power 3. Clear? This is given. So how can we factorize this algebraic expression? So for this is first term, this is second term. So first we write its prime fact. Right, especially the product of irreducible factors. So first write 4 into z. We can write here minus. First we take common minus between them, or you can write it like this: 20 z power 3 minus 16 z. Okay. So you can write it 4 into 5. This is equal to 20 into z square minus, you can add here 4 into 4 into z. So what is the count between them? You can say 4 have in both terms, here and there, both. Clear? So you write 4 into what is next, here 5, here 4. So both are not common. Again 4 and z is common. We take the z. After this we write all remaining part of both terms in brackets. So we have only 5 into z square. We have 5 z square minus 4, because we take common z. So here you can write it 4z into 5 z square minus 4. Clear? Or you can write here minus 16z plus 20 z power 3. This is equal to 4z into 5 z square minus 4. Okay? Now, so student, I hope all of you understood how to find the how to factorize of the given algebraic expressions. Now, in this way we solve question number 2, and we are going to discuss question number 3, how to factorize the 2 or more terms. So let's see how to factorize. Question number 3. first part. This is given here, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. This is given here. Okay, now, so how to factorize this? First we grouping it. Here you can say how many terms: 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms, 4 terms. So first we make group. Okay, for two terms. So for this we use bracket. Okay, so here you can write it x square plus xy in one bracket plus 8x plus 8y in second bracket. Clear? After this we observe that what is the common of this first bracket, first group, and what is the common in second groups. Okay, now then we take common of both groups. So here if we take common, you can see here x square xy. So x square means x into x, and xy means x into y. So you can observe that you take common here x. Okay, when you take common here x, then you obtain x into x plus y. This is clear. Now this time is for second groups. Observe the second groups. You can see here what is common between both terms. So you can say here common, 8 is common because here 8x plus 8y. Obviously you can say 8 is common, so you take common 8. If you take common 8, then you obtain this is x plus y. Okay, x plus y. So and in both terms, what is shown here, you can see here x plus y is common in both terms. So you can take common x plus y. Okay, you can see here x plus y is common between them. So you can take common. So if you take common x plus y, then you obtain here x here plus 8. Clear? X plus 8. This is clear. X plus 8. Okay. So in this question you can see the terms is given here, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. This is given. Clear? Now after this we make group it. Okay, we grouping it for two terms. So we take first two terms one groups, using brackets, and the second terms, last two terms we take second groups. After this we try to find what is the common between them. In first group x square plus xy. So here we saw that x square means x into x and xy means x into y. So in both in first groups, in first brackets, we find that x is common in both terms. So we take common x. Here we take common x. So x into x plus y. This is equal to, okay. So we take common here x. So we obtain here in bracket x plus y, and again with second terms we observe second terms and found that here what is common between them. Here first 8x plus 8y. So here we obtain that 8 is common. So we take common 8. After this we can see here we obtain here x plus y and also here x plus y. So you can see x plus y is common between them. So we take common x plus y. When we take common x plus y, here we obtain we have only x and here 8. So when we take common x plus y, then in first bracket we obtain x plus y, and we use next bracket and write the remaining parts. So here remaining part is x and here plus 8. So in this way you can say this is a factorization of x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y is equal to x plus y into x plus 8. Clear? So I hope all of you understood how to find factor of any algebraic expressions. Now we are going to discuss second part of this question number 3. Second part is that 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So we need to find its factorization, its factors. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So let's see how to find this. Okay, so first is 15xy minus 6x, 15xy minus 6x, this is 6x plus 5y minus 2. Okay, so first you grouping the given algebraic expression here, one first, second, third, fourth term, so we grouping it. Okay, so first we use bracket for grouping this. We write this here 15xy minus 6x in one bracket plus 5y minus 2 in another bracket. This is clear. So what is here common in first bracket? So you observe here 15xy 6x. So first the x is common between them, and after this you never 15 is 3 into 5 and 6 is 3 into 2. Okay, so you have also found that here 3 is common and x is common. If you take common 3 and x in both terms, so you obtain you take common 3x, so here you obtain 3 5 is 15 and x is common also, you obtain 5 minus here x we take common and here we take 3 common, then you obtain here 2 here. So here we take common 3x in first bracket. Now in second bracket, what is common? You can say this is 5y and minus 2. So you observe that here nothing common. If you nothing common, so we suppose here 1 common. You take common 1 between them. So you write here 1 and 5y minus 2. This is clear. Now, so after this is 2 terms, first term and the second term. So what is common between them? You can say here 5y minus 2 is common. 5y minus 2 is common. So you take common 5y minus 2. If you take common 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2 into here you obtain 3x plus 1. Clear? So you can see these are factors of the given algebraic expression 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Okay, so in this way you can see how to find factors of 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Now we are going to discuss third part of this question, how to find the factorization of ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So let's see. This is the third part of question number 3. Ax plus by plus bx, ax plus bx minus ay minus by, minus ay minus by. Clear? Now, so first you can write as a group in a bracket ax plus by, bx, close the bracket. Here you can take comma minus common, so here you have ay plus by. Okay, so you can see here what is the common between both. Obviously you can say here ax, here by, bx, so obviously you can say what is the common in first bracket? X. So you take common x, when you take common x, here you have to a plus b. Clear? Now after this minus What is here common? You can say here y is common because ay plus by. So we take common y. We take common y. Then in bracket we have a plus b. Clear? A plus b. And when you take common a plus b, then you obtain you take common a plus b. Okay? Then what the remaining part? What is remainder? Remainder is there yet. Remainder minus y. Okay? So you can say this is the factors of ax plus by minus ay minus b. So you can write it like this: ax plus bx minus ay minus by. This is equal to a plus b ax minus y. Clear? Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. This is equal to, you can write a plus b into a minus x minus y. This is the factors of this algebraic expressions. Now the next part, fourth part of this question is that fourth part of this question is that 15px 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. You can see here this is next part 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. Okay, this is given 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So first we grouping it. If you group this into this, so we can't find the its factors. Okay, we take these terms and these terms are in these terms. Okay, so we take grouping first terms and third terms. If you take first term 15 p q plus 9, okay, and this term plus 25p plus 15. Okay, if you take both first term and second term, third and the fourth terms, so you can't find the factors of this algebraic expression. Okay, so for this we take, because if you take both terms, so we can't find anything common between them except one. But here we find common 15 or 5 in both terms. So we interchange the terms and take in first group 15pq plus 9q or 15pq plus 25p. Anything. Okay. So here you can say what is the common between them. So here you can say here 15 means 5 into 3, and here q and here q. So c and q is common, and 3 is 3 into 3, 9. 9 is 3 into 3. So what is common between them? 3q is common. So you can write here 3q, here 5p plus 3 is common. Okay, 5p plus 3 is common, and again plus what is common between them? 5. 25 means 5 into 5, and the 15 means 3 into 5. So what is common between them? You can say here we take common 5. So you take on 5 here. So you have to use 5p plus 3. 5p plus 3. Clear? So here you observe that in both terms, this is first term, this is second terms, what is common? 5p plus 3, 5p plus 3 is common. If you take common 5p plus 3, then you obtain 5p plus 3, you take common. Then here, what is remaining part here? Remainder is here 3x, sorry 3q plus here 5. Clear? So in this way you can see the factors are 15, PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25 P is equal to 5P plus 3 into 3Q plus 5. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find factors of the given algebraic expression. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Hind.